What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am in the car, and that is because Casey and I are going kayaking. So I thought it would be really fun for you guys to come along with us on our little journey, and I'm just gonna vlog kind of what we're doing. I am feeling really sick today, so that sucks. So please excuse me if I look crazy, sound crazy, do something crazy.
How much are a pack of White Claws usually?
I don't know.
Not 1860 something, right?
No. Guys, so we just got here and we are loading up our kayak currently, and we're gonna try to get out on the water. Okay guys, so I am wearing that sunscreen from Unicorn Snot that has the gold glitter in it. I was trying to test it out before I wear it to ACL, and so far the things that I've noticed are it's really grainy feeling, so whenever you use it, it feels like it's scratching you. And then also, because it is like a white cream that you put on rather than like a spray sunscreen, it tends to kind of bunch up in areas, and when you sweat, your sweat appears white, especially if you do like a reapplication. When I put it on for the second time, like another layer, it kind of got all in the corner of my elbow and was white, and you had to rub it in again. So that might be something that will deter me from using it. I'm not sure yet. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about. I wanted to show you where it's just bunching up in the corners of my arms and turning white. It's doing it in both of my arms. Okay guys, so we have been out on the, oh, you're opening a beer. Well, not a beer, but anyways, we've been on the water for about 3 hours now, and it is so hot, and I think we're probably gonna head back in just a little bit, but it's been really nice, and just the view is wonderful, and it's been very quiet, and we've had a really nice time just being outdoors. And embracing our outdoor selves, the calmness, except for we're getting really close to the street, and I don't like that. Alright guys, we are headed in. We've been out here for almost 4 hours, and it's really hot, so we're going in.
Calling it quits.
Yeah, we're gonna go in now. It's hot, and oh, yep. So anyways, I'll see you back in the car. So now we are currently at the park down the street from our house. We drove just a little bit further from the park that we were at, and we live in that general direction. We came from that general direction, and now we're here. And we're just relaxing in front of this lake. There are some geese and some ducks that live over here, so hopefully you guys can see them over there on the shoreline. And just like that, guys, I think it's going to rain. So that is gonna wrap up our day. We spent a lot of time outdoors. I'm really hot and I'm really tired. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm just kidding, I'm exhausted.
I think we're a little bit sunburnt, but thank you guys for joining us. If you have not, please subscribe down below and like this video if you'd like to see more vlogs just of us doing what we do on a normal basis. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!